Hello everyone, this is the video for the first day of our second lab. Here is our manual Wheatstone bridge. I have the DLQ board and I have LabVIEW running here. Let me show you the manual bridge a little bit. So I have 4 resistors here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 is here. I have the test rig, and these are all strain gauges as resistors. The fourth resistance is connected to 2 potentiometers. Okay, so one is coarse, and the other one is fine adjustment. Okay, so by turning this, you can make large steps. By twisting this knob, you can have smaller changes. Okay, so I have the DAQ board. I have an output channel here. The output channel is providing voltage to the circuit from D and B. Okay, and I have one input channel measuring the excitation voltage, and one input channel here. The other end is here. It's measuring the output voltage from the circuit. Okay, so now if you look at the LabVIEW program here is very similar to what we had before, and here in this chart you can see the bridge voltage. So this is EO, the E0 voltage that we see today. In the class. So right now we are getting about 10 millivolts of voltage, and there is a noise. What we need to do for this lab is to change the unknown resistor by using the potentiometers. Okay, so adjusting the knobs so that we have 0 bridge output. Okay, and here is the excitation voltage. That's what I said, and the measured excitation voltage is 0.98. Very close to what I said. So what I will do is I will adjust using these knobs here, and the coarse and the fine knob. So I'm now adjusting the fine one. See, it dropped to 3 millivolts. Let's drop a little bit more. So I'm now getting close to 0. Some more. Let's clear the chart. So now I'm getting 0.5, around 0.58 or 0.6 millivolts. So now let's do some fine adjustment as well. Dropping even more. Oops, the other direction. So let's go closer to 0. So now we are close to 0. Let's clear the chart. So now we have pretty small voltage here. Let's see if I can make it even better. Alright, so that's what I can do. Let's clear the chart. So now I can assume that my bridge is balanced. I have voltage output around 0 millivolts. So there's some noise, but I can just ignore that noise. If you take the average, the output is going to be almost 0. So now what you can do here is to play with this test rig, which has a strain gauge. So now what I will do is I will bend this so that there is some strain, and I will bend it the other way so that there is the compressive forces. Okay, so now let's look at our chart. We should be able to really see that change. This is when I first bent the test rig, and this is the second time when I applied compressive forces. Okay. All right. See you guys tomorrow or today, depending on whenever you are watching the video. And this is what you will be doing in the lab.